Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful exotic espresso machine after the tune-up and replacing some parts on it, the pressure release valve and the safety pressure valve, and tune-up and replacing the gaskets in both boilers, the pro boiler and the steam boiler. They were leaking. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. Exactly 30 seconds, and I got really nice shot with thick crema and really tasty. So let's test the steamer. Beautiful, works perfect. And the hot water, that works great too. It's really enough. Thank you for watching.